Dear friend, I am so sorry to hear about your recent financial loss. I know how difficult it can be to deal with the stress and uncertainty that comes with financial struggles. It's normal to feel down, discouraged, and depressed during these times, but I want you to know that you're not alone. It's important to remember that your worth is not defined by your financial situation. You are still the same valuable, amazing person you were before this loss. Don't let this situation define you or limit your potential. You have so much to offer the world and you will get through this. It's important to take time to grieve and process your emotions, but don't let this loss consume you. It's time to start taking proactive steps to improve your financial situation. This can include creating a budget, finding new sources of income, or seeking professional financial advice. I know it's easier said than done, but try to stay positive and keep moving forward. The future is full of possibilities, and you never know what opportunities may come your way. Don't give up on your dreams, passions, or goals because of this setback. Remember, this too shall pass. You are stronger than you realize, and you will get through this. Believe in yourself and keep pushing forward. Keep in mind that every challenge is an opportunity to grow and become better. In the words of Les Brown, you are the only real obstacle in your path to a fulfilling life. Don't let this loss be the obstacle that stops you. You can overcome this, and you will come out stronger on the other side. I believe in you, and I'm here for you.